you guys bring up the fact that I wasn't sharing part of my screen from week 3 live lecture. I apologize. I guess I forgot to switch over to my InDesign file when I was trying to show how to set up your folio. So I'm going to hopefully get this quickly done for you guys to post 2 announcements so you guys can get at least that part done. So what you need to do, and the folio is at the very bottom here. I already have it set so you can see it in there right now. So what you need to do when you start this is go ahead and double click on your master page so it's selected. Go ahead and zoom in down below, and I already have this created so you can see it. I just drew out, and I'll do it again. Take the text type tool, drag out a very long from the left to the right margin text box, and you're going to place or insert a special character for the page number. So you're going to go up to type, insert special character, markers, current page number. And that's going to give you that A. And you can do a space and then, a bullet point or a shift underneath the delete key is that line that I have there and another space. And then you can put the date. Okay. And then I have this as tabbed over so it's right aligned where it says Student Matters. So what I could do here is set up my tabs. So do a select all or, double click on that. Go up to type, tabs, choose the right aligned justified tab. I'm going to zoom out here so I can see what's going on with my tabs. And I'm going to click right on my tab so that goes right to the right side of my margin there. Then I'm just going to hit this little red button to close out. I'm going to hit tab right after the 2008, and that's going to take me all the way to the right. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then Student Matters, you can type right there. You can change the font. I kind of was showing you how to do this. Well, I was trying to, and you guys couldn't see it. You can change the font that you want this to be in. Typically, let's see here. Let's do a bold condensed bold. Typically this is smaller than your body copy, so I would probably go between 9 and 10. And then you can also change the color. Just go ahead and change it to, I think I had swatches up here with my color saved out. Let me get this back. Oh, I guess I don't have it. Let's see, color, swatches, gradient. I think it's because I'm in the master page. I don't have my swatches, but you can change the color once you have your swatch panel up. Right now I set this at blue. I don't know why that's not coming up. Let me double click on this. This is blue color, which is a part of the masthead that I got that from. Then you can just slide this down. I would go below this margin down here, and on this one I have a rule set above. So what I showed you in I tried to show you in the actual live lecture. Go ahead and double click on that, and let's see, insert. What I think I did was I put let's see, paragraph style. Yeah, I did a paragraph style. So I created a Folio paragraph style. And in here, I have my tabs set up here. Let me save that back. In here, I put paragraph roles. I chose roll on. When I deselect that, watch what happens. That red line that's on that pink line disappears. So that roll line is just a nice thin roll line above my folio, and I set that as a 0.5 point width. I gave it a color, and I offset it at 0.25, because if I don't offset it at 2.5, watch what happens if it's at 0. See how it kind of went right below the 2018? So you want it to be above above. You know, at least have enough quarter of a space there above it, and click OK. So I actually created a paragraph style for that. So now, let me hide guide so you can see what that looks like. When you're setting this up, on the left side, what I would want you to do is go ahead and just do an Alt drag over, so you're essentially creating a copy of that. And then all you need to do, because the page number needs to be on the right, I would delete the tab here first, put a space, or not even a space, just delete the tab. Copy that, so highlight the page number and the date and delete it. Click right after the matters, hit tab, and then Command V for paste. And then now all you need to do is just copy and paste, the special character, or you can just put the special character back in there by just deleting all that, putting a space, another space, type, insert special character, markers, current page number. Okay, so the page number should be on the outer edge for both pages. Make sure this is aligned. This isn't quite aligned here. Here we go. So now you're in your master pages, and anything marked A will be represented, will have that folio on there. So I'm going to double click on my pages, and you'll see them placed in there, and then you'll see the page number appear instead of the letter A. Okay? Same with up here. So anywhere there's an A over there. All right, so that's pretty much what I explained by accident. I had covered over it with a folder. So hopefully you guys can go forward with this. If you have any questions, let me know.